Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a quick unboxing from Speckled Fawns. This is one of the last items that I ordered from anyone pre-pandemic that I hadn't gotten yet until now. So I think I was waiting for about 5 or 6 months for this. They were really backlogged at Speckled Fawns, and they've been trying to catch up, and I believe that this is the last item that I ordered, I think, in March, so it's been a little while. But it should be exciting what's in here, so I'm really eager to go ahead and get this open. So let's see. All right. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is a chatelaine, but it's all in the Kodiak leather. So I would say just before they closed up the shop officially for a little while, they offered these, and I ordered it. I think it is the gray leather and the brown leather. I can't remember what the gray leather is called. I think it's Stonehenge, and then just the rustic brown. So there you go. And this is a little bit heavier than a normal chatelaine because of the heft of the leather itself. And it looks like it actually will probably hold together pretty well because the leather's a little thick, and it's also a little not necessarily tacky, but it's supple, let's say that. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like open here. So this is a B6 Slim. The B6 Slim on the Speckled Fawns tends to be a little bit narrower than a Chic Sparrow, for example, and a little bit taller. Let's see, I do have my, we're off here to the side, a little bit awkward there. So I do have my everyday carry that I have from Chic Sparrow. So as you can see, it's just a hair taller. And let's close this again, and you'll see it's it needs to be full of stuff. It usually is a little bit narrower, but it looks like it might be about the same size. If it were chunked up as much, it would, here I'm trying to emulate that. You can see it would be a little bit narrower. So let's get that out of the frame there. Okay, so this is very pretty. This leather almost looks brown or green. I don't think I picked the green leather, which would be the Tuscany. I'm pretty sure I chose the gray color because of the gray stitching. Because I chose the gray stitching to go with that. Maybe it's just contrasting against the gray stitching and looking a little green. I don't know. We'll see. So this front pocket is really pretty, and these are all pull-up leathers, so you'll be able to see the pull-up when you do that. And if I ever have anything in the front pocket, it'll bring out that pull-up. And let's see, it looks like this is a double layer. And let's see, yeah, I can probably bring up the pull-up here. So I don't know. So it doesn't look green on the back. I'm pretty sure that this is the gray leather. And yeah, it ends up being a pretty thick edge because of all the different leathers being together, but I'm okay with that. And this has 2 strings that are the same height in here. That's interesting. So there's some different elements in here than normal, at least on that front. And then the zippered pocket. The zippered pocket seems a little bit narrower than the last zippered pocket I got on a B6 Slim, but this should work out just fine. I don't have this dedicated to any particular use right now, so I'm trying to figure out, I'm actually trying to do a little bit of destashing, which at the point that you see this video I may have already done a little bit, but yeah. All right, sorry, I'm just checking that out while we're on camera here. But that was it. It was just a quick unboxing of this chatelaine in the Kodiak leather. And if I have any updates on this, I'll let you know. I'm not sure if they will offer this again, just because I think that this was sort of a one-off kind of special thing. But they are going to be opening up their store again in September. So if you're seeing this in September, they've probably already opened. Otherwise, September is the estimated date. All right, well, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.